Let's do it. Infinite solutions. All right? So, hey, look. Number 1 and number 2 are going to cancel each other out. Which makes this very easy, so that I don't have to do a multiplying. And I'm left with y minus 4z equals negative 4. Okay. All right. Now, would you like to do 1 and 3 or 2 and 3? 1 and what? 1 and 3? Okay. So I have 4x minus y minus 16z equals negative 4. And number 1, I'm going to have to multiply by negative 4. So that my negative 4x will cancel. So that leaves me with a 4y, right? Negative.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. And negative 4z equals negative 8. Okay? Oh, good catch.
It would be a positive y, too.
I do have a positive y.
Oh.
All right, that cancels, and I'm left with 3y minus 12z is equal to negative 12. Did I do all those right? Okay, so now I have 4 and 5. Okay, all right, so I have 3y minus 12z equals negative 12 for 5. What do I want to multiply number 4 by so that I get rid of my y? How about negative 3? Make it even better. So that'd be negative 3y plus 12z is equal to 12. Are you with me?
No.
Because I multiplied this by negative 3.
No, how did you get the negative? How did you get that second equation underneath?
This one here,
No, above that.
this one.
Yeah.
I took number 1 and I multiplied it by negative 4.
Okay.
So I got negative 4x plus 4y plus 4z, negative 8. Okay, everybody with me then? Okay, hey, look what happens. That canceled and that canceled, but then that part canceled too. So that's a true statement. Okay, so it means all solutions. Okay, and this is one where you have to write the answer in a funky way. Okay, so we're going to start with that z is all real numbers. Okay, we have to put x and y in terms of z then, since it's all real numbers. All right. So
I had to do this on the math Excel, but 2 by 2.
yeah,
So I didn't understand.
yeah. 2 by 2 will you just do it once? You just solve for y. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation 4, and I'm going to solve it for y. So y is going to be equal to 4z minus 4. Okay? Everybody with me? Because I took equation number 4 and I just solved it for y. Okay? So now I took equation 4, solved for y. Okay, so now I have to find x in terms of y. All right, so I'm going to take any of the first 3 equations is fine, but I'm going to do number 1 because that's x is by itself, it's not negative, it seems easy. Okay? And hey, look, I know that y is equal to 4z minus 4, so I'm going to substitute that in for y. Because now, when I distribute, I'll get negative 4z plus 4. If I solve or combine all my like terms, I'm going to get negative 5z plus 4 equals 2. And now I can solve for x. So I subtract 4. And then add my 5z. Oops, sorry. X is going to be 5z minus 2. Okay. Does that kind of make sense? So since z is any real number, in order to find the x and the y, you have to put it in terms of all the real numbers. Okay, good. All right, then